Nyumba iria igititwo na maturubari ma asbestos maya kumomora ni thirikari thutha wa gutwika ni maracungiriria murimo wa kansa. Ndumiriri ino irutitwo ni kamitii ya ruhonge rwa NEMA ruri rucerete mwena wa Kirinyaga rukiuga ni mateta rwamukirite kuuma kuri muingi.
So if those governments are not taking action, then they should be taken to court on behalf of the people, because it's the people who suffer. When people fall sick, it's not the government that is sick. Yeah. And yet they have to spend their money, their time. Some of the diseases are terminal. We understand asbestos causes cancer.
Reu kamitii ino ikiuria honge cia ugima wa mwiri na waki kunyitanira hari kumomora maturubari macio.
The Minister of Health with their public health officers, the Minister of Housing, the NEMA, all these people have to be answerable to the people of Kenya when we know that there is a disaster and no action seems to be taken.
Ni nderetia na kuroho mahinda mana hau kabere maturubari maya gutwika muno monekaga nyumba-ini cia ceceni cia motungata ma muingi. Ihinda-ini o riri kamitii ino ni hete mukana andu aria makite nyumba moinite mitaro ya gutwara mai magiko makirorereria njũĩ-ini kuona uyu ni ugwati munene hari ugima wa mwiri.
When they were proposing to put up their buildings, then we shall make a recommendation to the Cabinet Secretary, who will then follow up with the relevant agencies for enforcement.
Onao aria marahanda miti ya minyua mai ngiririba-ini cia njũĩ ni makanitio kuona ino ni njira imwe ya kuhukia njũĩ.
There are issues of eucalyptus being planted in riparian areas. There is a complaint on open sewage, raw sewage being discharged into rivers.
Onao afitha a matura ni mahinyiririo kunyitanira na thirikari hari gutigirira maria maturigiciirie ni magacirithio na njira igwete. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.